Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're taking the humble egg to a whole new level by frying it up with some fresh herbs. This recipe isn't much harder than just frying an egg, but it's so much more aromatic, so much more beautiful, and in a word, fancier. Let's get started. The only special ingredient you need for this recipe is some fresh herbs. Today we're using sage, but really you can use whatever you have in the fridge. Parsley, oregano, even scallions. And you want to chop up about a tablespoon's worth. We've preheated the pan a bit and we're now going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You know the oil is hot enough when it starts to shimmer, but not yet smoke. That looks good, so we'll add our herbs and then fry them up just a few seconds. And once they start to crisp up, we're going to add the eggs. That looks right about done, so let's go ahead and slip it out of the pan. And a little bit of salt, and some pepper, and we are good.